In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital coupons in Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is logging into my Gumroad account and waiting for the dashboard to load. Once I'm in, I'm looking over at the left-hand menu because that's where the option we need is located. From here, I'm selecting checkout, and this takes me to the area where I can manage things related to payments, offers, and discounts. Now that I'm inside checkout, I'm looking for the new discount button, and once I see it, I'm clicking on it. This opens up the form where I can create the coupon, and at this point everything starts coming together pretty quickly. The first thing I'm entering is the discount name, so this is just the internal name that helps me recognize what the discount is for. Right after that, I'm entering the code, which is the actual coupon code people will use during checkout, and then I'm setting the discount amount. Once that part is done, I'm moving into the options that control how the coupon works. This is where I can define the total number of times the coupon can be used. So if I want it to be limited, I can set that here. I can also set a minimum order amount or quantity, depending on how I want the discount to apply. That's useful if I only want the coupon to work when someone spends a certain amount or buys a certain number of items. Then I can also choose a specific start date or end date, which is helpful if I want the coupon to run for a limited time and stop automatically. At this point, I'm just checking over the details to make sure everything looks right. I've got the discount name in place, the coupon code entered, the amount set, and then the usage limits, minimum requirements, and date range configured the way I want. Once that all looks good, the last thing I need to do is click Add Discount. As soon as I do that, the coupon is saved and ready to use. So that's really the full process. You log into Gumroad, open checkout from the left-hand menu, click New Discount, enter the discount name, code, and amount, then set the usage limits, minimum order amount or quantity, and any start or end date you want, and finally, click Add Discount to save it. Once that's done, your digital coupon is created and ready to be used in Gumroad.